SAS versus R versus Python, which is best for data analysis in 2024. Introduction to SAS, R, and Python. SAS. Developed by SAS Institute. SAS is a powerful statistical software widely used in various industries for data manipulation, data visualization, and statistical analysis. It provides a comprehensive set of tools for data processing, modeling, and predictive analytics. R. Known for its robust statistical computing capabilities, R is an open-source language favored by data scientists for data exploration, machine learning, and statistical techniques. It offers a vast collection of packages for data wrangling, visualization, and modeling. Python, a versatile programming language, Python has gained popularity in the data science community for its simplicity and flexibility. With libraries such as Pandas, NumPy, and Matplotlib, Python is ideal for data manipulation, visualization, and machine learning tasks. Data analysis capabilities. SAS. Data manipulation. SAS offers a user-friendly interface for handling large datasets efficiently. Statistical analysis. With built-in procedures for statistical analysis, SAS is well suited for complex analytical tasks. R. Data visualization. With packages like ggplot2, R allows for the creation of highly customizable visualizations. Machine learning. R has a strong community support for developing machine learning models. Python. Data manipulation. Python's Pandas library simplifies data manipulation tasks, such as filtering, sorting, and merging datasets. Data visualization. Matplotlib and Seaborn libraries in Python are excellent for generating interactive and informative visualizations. Why choose Python over SAS and R? Versatility. Python's versatility allows for seamless integration with other tools and frameworks, making it a popular choice for software development and data analytics. Community support. Python has a thriving community of developers and data scientists who actively contribute to libraries and resources, ensuring continuous growth and innovation. Ease of learning. Python's clean and readable syntax makes it easier for beginners to pick up and start coding quickly. Final verdict. The best tool for data analysis. While SAS, R, and Python each have their unique strengths, the choice of the best tool for data analysis ultimately depends on your specific requirements and preferences. If you are looking for a user-friendly interface with robust statistical analysis capabilities, SAS might be the right choice for you. Conclusion. In conclusion, the best tool for data analysis in 2024 is the one that aligns with your goals and objectives. Whether you choose SAS, R, or Python, mastering any of these tools will empower you to unlock valuable insights from your data and make informed decisions in today's data-driven world.